So so we need two files, RMSD in or RMSD out. So RMSD in is, it will take your NC files, all NC files, then it will create it will calculate the RMSD for us. From this script we can do two things. One is radius of gyration is this, and one is RMSD. Okay.
And radiation of gyration?
Radius of gyration is actually about to check the compactness of the system, how compact is the system. So for now, right now we will just do the RMSD first because we want to make sure our simulation is okay or not. So we will not do the radius of gyration. We will just do the RMSD. And okay, for this one, make sure your NC files are, we need to specify the path for the NC file. So if you look here, how many step back is your NC files, .nc files? 1 and 2. 2 step back you have all your NC files, right? So we need to write here, 2 step back is your NC file, 1 step and 2 step. Okay. So for this case we need to change the path for the NC files. So right now I will open it with the Notepad++ because it's easy to do in Notepad. So I will copy this. I will say okay. I will say find this one and replace it with this. You see? Oh, and I can make this.
How do we
Control F, then yeah, replace. So find that. For example, I want to replace .nc in my file with another word. So write here nc and whatever you want. Then write the word with you want to replace. So you will say, and if you want to replace all in your file, then replace all. But if you want just select it, then do one by one using the find as and replace. Okay. So here you can see, like I said, okay, just go 2 step back, 1 step and 2 step. Just go 2 step back and from that take all these NC files. And now make sure you have all these NC files. As for your case, we just run it 200 milliseconds, right? So it means we are for MD, for RMSD, we will take all simulation from 1 to 200. Okay. So this is also your min restart file is also there. 2 step back. So also you need to specify the path for this one. Okay. Now the second part. For now we don't want to calculate the radius of gyration, so I put the hash there. And now this is your BCD. So you make sure you write 1 to 8. For your others it will be changed. Okay. And this is your output file name. So if you want to change, you can change. If you don't want to, just do it. Now this is all. I will make the changes all. Then if I open it again, you will see the updated file. You see? Okay. So now to run this and RMSD.in, we will use the command that is in RMSD.in, this one. And here we also need to define where is your topology file, total file. That is also 2 step back. So I will just make sure the right path is this. So for now, just come into this directory, cd. Now you are in this directory. So I will just take this command. And okay, I will paste it here. Okay, number, then run it again. Okay, it's saying like no topology file is too slow. Oh, your topology file is, you use the prompt of file.
guess the name of this because I have tried to use the just I have used in the industry.
So
We can also
we will change it to front of file because we use front of file. So it may take 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. So advise I to check our RMSD.
it's running.
Yeah, it's running. You see. So we need to check it. So yeah, and to check this, you need to plot it. And from plot you will see like how the RMSD is going. Okay, it's done. So this is the RMSD code file. So because is just one, so the easy step to do just with one is I will do I will drag it here. It's quite stable.
So you're dragging original.
Now you cannot drag every time. You can just drag first time. Like this is your first, and but we need 3 MDs. So for that, if I open this, I will show you. So this is your RMSD. This is the frames 1 to 3, and all that. If you look, this is our something 20,000 frames. We need to convert into the time. If you want to convert into time, you need to divide it with 100. Okay, and this is the RMSD of your system in the second column, and this is your first MD, right? And you run the second MD, and for example, this is the result from your second MD. For that, you can do like this is your RMSD, and you just select this column. Okay, just copy it and come in the origin and add a new folder and just paste that in the second one. Okay, I mean we don't need to take frame every time, just frame one time, then your MD1, MD2 and MD3. I take first frame as because I need frame also. I need both columns from this file, but from other files you just need one column. Got it? So to plot it, you just take the line plot.
So it's automatically running the plot, right?
Yeah, you just select it and plot this RMSD. This is your RMSD. So it's quite stable, like it's the between 1 to 4. So we need to compare it with the others as well. So right now it's quite stable. So it means you now you submit your second MD and third MD as well. So this is your one. So for example, you want to plot this is, and you want to finalize it. Okay, I will use this. So you need to make some changes. Like first you adjust your scale. So for scale, uh, this is your vertical. For vertical, we start from 0 to 5, and interval will be 1. Like it will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I give the interval of 2, so it will be like 2, 4, 6, and like that. So if I apply, you see like this. Or maybe if I start, it should be like from 1, if that case. But if I start from 0, it will be like this. And for the horizontal, first I need to convert into the frames into time. So you need to come here, click labels, and you need to divide it by the factor of 100. And you will divide it. So now this is your 200 nanoseconds animation. So now you can adjust your scale. Don't start it from 2 minus and 200. Okay. Okay. So you can also adjust this, like this is the major tick, this is the minor ticks. So you can come here in the line and ticks, and you can, if you want to share the sorry minor ticks, you can take it out or something. And if you don't want to show it, just choose the name. Okay, same case for this one. And you can also adjust the scale for this one, like here is 0, 550, 100, 150 and 200. And normally for 200 we use like this, but for 500 we may use like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Okay, so now your first 200 MB simulation is okay. I will suggest you to extend it 500 because 200 is not acceptable. And we just run it because we was expecting Azan will have a meeting, but now we don't have meeting. So make all years MBs 500, then we will show the results of that 500 language. You got it? So that's all you need. And also like we normally use the second bar also. So come to grid and take the opposite of these also. Apply and you see the other bars. And if you want to change the name, you can also do that. Come here and choose like for example, if I choose these, also you can increase the width. You see, if you want to increase the width, like choose something. I just want to show you the difference. You see, it's like more thick like this. So normally we just use the one because this is okay. Okay, and you can also change the. This is your RMSD. So on y-axis you need to show the. This is your RMSD, and also put the symbol that is angstrom in the bracket. And if you click, you can also choose the style Arial, size 20. If you want to make it bold, good. And you can do the same for this one, properties, and come here and time in nanosecond. So I want to make it bold, apply, okay. And if you want to change here, for example, this is your MD1 and you want to rename it, you can do like this. This is MD1. MD1. You can choose also like bold, apply, you see. And if you don't want to remove this box, come to this frame and make it one. And if you want to increase the width of this one, you can also increase from here. Okay. So this is like you can also drag and drop, and I mean you can move your axis, like if you want to keep it here, and you can also adjust this. Okay, so it's not it's not difficult to make graph with the vision, so you can do everything. Also you can, when you are done, just save your project, and when you want to save it as a picture, go to file and then you need to come to export graph. Export graph, open dialog. And if I say okay, this is the BCD RMST, and I write the name and I want to choose the okay, this is folder. Okay, normally we use the TIFF image because for publication we always use TIFF format. So I will say okay, export this one. So it will export here. This is your RMST. Okay. Yeah, and you can also save here this file and save. If I go to the folder, this one, BCD. Okay, here, this one. One tip from my side is this. Because at the end we will compare all the BCDs RMSD in one picture. So I will suggest you to do something like this. I will show you now. So if you like it, you can follow the same. Because in my opinion, that is easy way to do. at the end we have to compare it like in one picture all RMSD. Okay, so to make them like this, you have to plot all RMSD in one graph. I mean in just one file. So for that I use this method. You can use the same. Okay. You see, you can add the other file section also. For example, this is your BCD and this is your MD1, and you also want other for MD2, MD3. You done MD2 and MD3 also. Okay. You will select all and plot the graph. You will get one graph. For example, this is your BCD with A form, and now you want to do for the BCD with the B form. You can add a one section from here. So this is your, you will add for the BCD C form something. Okay. So this is your book for the BCD. You can rename your book here. Okay, this is your BCD book. If I name it, okay, this is my BCD book. Okay. Now you want to upload for the HPBCD. You can come here and create a new book. Okay, do the same like in one sheet for A form, in the second sheet for the B form, but it will be data and will be in the same book. So what we can do at the end, you will have all the graphs in this file in one. So at the end we can combine them easily from this file, from this function. Okay. But if you do like, okay, this is your one file for BCD, you will open another file in that you have HPBCD, then we cannot combine them together. Then you have to use the maybe PowerPoint or some other tool to make them together, so that is very difficult. You understand, like when you have to join two pictures together, make them very aligned and all that, so it's not easy to do that. So I will suggest you for RMSD, just make your one file just like I did this. So you see, I have the book for all my phones. So at the end, you can go here and then you can combine all your graphs and you can even arrange, okay, this should be at the first, this should be at the second, this should be at the third, and all that. So you can do every kind of changes that you want in the region. You can get a very defined image from the region. But for that, you should place all your graph in one file. Got it? I'm giving you this tip because I learned it at the very end. I try a lot of time before, then I came to this point. No, I have to do this. So it's a tip from my side. You will thanks me later, and you give me this tip. So this is like how you can do the RMSD, and it's easy, right? Just run the script. You will get the data, and then you need to check from your RMSD like, is it okay or not? Like, for example, how I can say this is okay, because they all are in one range, like 1 to 4. For example, for your this case, for example, from 100 to 150 something, your peaks are like very good, like going to like 10, 15 something. So it means at this time your drug goes out of the quality. I mean, it's not smooth like this. Suddenly it's going like this, then smooth like this. So it means it's not okay. So now you do the RMSD with uh, all the MD that you have run. And the second thing, do your extend your simulation time. Right now you have 200 nanosecond, but make them 500 nanosecond. Okay. So for example, mhm, if we want to extend this one, I have to go here. This is 29. So how long? What is? I think it will be like 59 will be 500.
59.
Hmm. How?
Forget.
It's okay. So it's like this. So actual simulation start from the 10, right? So from 10 to 19. From 10 to 19, because 10 is equal to 10 nanosecond. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 19. Up till 19 it will be equal to 100 nanosecond, right?
What is that? 10
Okay.
into
10 means this 10 dot in file, md 10 dot, I mean md md 10 dot in file is equal to 10 nanosecond now. Okay, so this 10 is representing this. So this is equal to 10 nanosecond. So I need to repeat how many times that my simulation will be equal to 100 nanosecond? 10 times. So if you count from 10 to 19, how many times it is? Okay, in simple words, your this file is equal to 10 nanosecond, right? So how many times you have to repeat this file
10 times.
to get 500 nanosecond? Okay, now tell me this.
50.
Not 50.
59. Sorry, 49.
How many times?
If I run this 10 times,
Your
then you
file
get
is equal to
1.
10, so you need to run it 50 times to get the 500 nanosecond, right? Okay. So now you see it's like 1 to 50, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will repeat 50. But here you see our file name is md10. So we want to like it make md10, then md11, 12, 13, and 14 onward. Because here from 1 to 9 is our pre-steps. So for that, that's why I'm telling you from 10 to 19 is equal to 100 nanosecond. How? You see 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 is equal to 10, 10, all are 10. Now count it how many times? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So it means 10 to 19 is equal to 100 nanosecond. So from 20 to 29 will be again 100, so I will say it like 200. So similarly 30 to 39 will be 300. Is it right? 40 to 49 is 400, and 50 to 59 is 500. So it means here our starting is 10 and our final should be 59. So if instead of 29 I will write 59. So now we will add in our file. Right now you see we have md, our last file is md29.nc. So in 500 case our last file is md59. Okay, so it will be equal to 500 nanosecond. So now I will say like this. But one more thing now. You set it? Okay. But you already have 29.
So I just
You need to start from 30. So I will replace 10 with the 30.
30 to
30 to
59.
59 because I already have the previous, so I don't need. But in case you are submitting a new one in that you don't have, so in that case you will write like 10 to 59.
Oh, I see.
You got it? So because already we have 29, so I don't need to repeat them again because it does not make sense. So I will say okay, now start from 30 to 59. So it means it will generate all the files in the same directory and our simulation will be equal to 500.
So I can run this 500 times.
Yeah, so now you just need to do the same, like come in this directory, and now you just use the S batch and your okay, run bcd and my queue, your job is running, so it will now if you check it will generate a 30. Give the error. It gives the error like this. Yeah, it's give the error. Let me check the error. Should I stop? It will be too long. Or you want to continue?